Come over here, please.
No, that he's scared.
Come right here.
He's scared.
Get over here. Let's all talk. Come on.
Yeah, go on, Lamin. Yeah, give us that one.
Come on, Lamin. You wanted me to help you. Come. I'm right here. Get over here. Okay, so, Lamin, unfortunately for you, I am going to have to say that you were afraid to debate me.
Yeah.
You don't know, have a clue about what Isaiah 9:6 says. You couldn't provide any rational alternative. All you could say was no. So Lamin, next time I see you, come back and tell me exactly who Isaiah 9:6 is talking about, okay? Love you, Lamin. God bless you. Hey! Alrighty.
So what they
Give me 1 second.
No, listen. You want to take off this because watch I know. I am not here to refute anyone.
Okay.
See? And I'm not here to debate.
Let me wrap up, and I'll wrap up with you, okay? So, people, real quick, Lamin came to me. Lamin was talking to an auntie over here, and Lamin says the following, that Isaiah 9:6 is not about Jesus. Isaiah 9:6, like I read out for him, unto us a son is born. The government will be on his shoulders. He will be called Prince of Peace, Mighty King, Prince of Peace, and Almighty Father. However, Lamin only told me that this is not about Christ. I asked Lamin, so who is it about then? Is it about Muhammad? Is it about Allah? Because this causes problems. So now Allah apparently is born, or Muhammad apparently was born to us who are the Jewish people. So then he asked me, he'll become a Christian today if I show him where Jesus Christ is called God. I show him John 1:18. I show him 1 Corinthians 8:6. I show him Acts 13 and 14. And still, he cannot tell me who the alternative person of Isaiah 9:6 should be. And he runs away. Lamin, do better. But anyway, love you still. Come to Christ. All right, there we go. All right, my friend.
What's wrong with you?
Huh?
What's wrong with you?
No, what you want from me?
What I want from you?
Yes.
I don't want nothing from you.
Okay. So, Lamin brought you in.
No. Listen. Lamin don't brought me in. No one brought me in.
Lamin did.
I heard. No. Listen to this. I heard you and Lamin go over the same topic over and over again.
Yep.
And to me, I say it's ridiculous.
Yep.
Because
I
I'm
agree.
not here to refute no one.
Okay.
Now watch this now. If you see Christ as God,
Yep.
that is okay by me. You know why?
It has to be.
Because Christ is the revelation of the Father.
Sure
but
thing.
Guess what? He's not the Father.
That's
but
fine.
He's the revelation of the Father. Why? Because the Father was in him. Because he was sent by the Father. That's why he's called God. So if Christ is from God and anything from God is God. You understand?
Well,
if Christ is from God,
not anything
no.
from God is God,
No.
the difference.
If Christ is from God, if you would Hebrew tell you that,
Yep.
he's from who? The Father. And he was sent by the Father.
Wait, Hebrew what, sorry?
Hebrew 1. You want to read it?
Wait, which one? Hebrew 1:1 or which one?
Hebrew 1 to 8. Let me read it.
1 to 8.
Yeah, 1 to 8.
So in the past, God spoke to us through the prophets.
That's it.
And in the last days,
That's it.
He has spoken to us through His only Son.
That's it. And,
Okay.
and even God call him God.
Yes.
And he said, unto us a child was born.
Okay.
And it was called Mighty God, so and forth. I
So
heard you,
we
I heard
agree.
you quote that. I heard you quote that.
Okay.
Yes, we agree on
Okay.
that. But guess what? He's not the Father because he was sent by the Father.
So
But
I never said He was the Father.
good. No,
Right.
we agree on that. No, we agree on that. We
because
agree.
the three persons
Right.
are distinct. They know
We
each other,
agree.
right?
Yes, we agree
So
with that.
what's the problem we're having?
Me and you?
Oh, stone liquor! Hey,
Watch it now.
people!
Listen to this guy.
People! Our stone liquor is back! Hey, stone liquor! My stone liquor! How are you?
And the wine.
Do you want to have part two?
Go
that
eat-
means-
Do you want to have part two?
Go eat your goods.
Okay.
Go eat your goods.
People!
That
Go
means-
eat your goods.
Our stone liquor is back!
Go eat stone liquor.
Stone liquor! How many
take
stones
it.
did
Go
you
eat
use
your
today
good and
to
drink your
wipe
good.
your butts? Was it 3 or 4? Okay. No. Oh, come on. I had more rock puns for you. Stone liquor. Come back to me, stone liquor. Okay. Come back, Stone Liquor, please. Let me show you that you worship an inanimate object. Please, Stone Liquor. All right, thank you. All right.
Spiritually, we see Christ as God, but God wasn't in him. But physically, Muslims will never see that because the Bible is a spiritual book. You understand?
Yeah, and then they like
so
it.
we never
Yeah?
see that.
Okay.
So when we say Christ is God, we're not saying he is the Father.
Sure
but
thing.
He's the revelation of the Father, and the Father was him. The Father was in him. That's why there's a scripture in the Bible saying you must be from God, because all the things them that you do, only the Father can do.
Yes,
because
exactly,
Christ
right?
do some of the things them that some of
Only
the
God
prophet
can
cannot
do.
do.
Exactly, okay.
So when you say,
Awesome.
so when you say Jesus is God,
Yes.
I understand why you say he's God.
Okay.
But we know there is a next source that sent him. And that is the reason why they cannot get that. Me and you, we don't have any problem.
I wish you said that when Lamin was here.
We don't have any
But
problem.
okay, fair enough.
Because Christ said he's the only way. No man come at the Father
Except
what?
through him.
Through him.
Not through Muhammad, not through Buddha.
Exactly.
No, not through that weird rock in the desert.
Yes.
No, nothing. Okay,
so,
fair enough.
So no one can see God's face.
Okay.
But Christ is the revelation of the Father.
He makes God known.
All right. So in order for we to know the Father is what through Christ. And so when you see me, you see the Father. I am not the Father, but me and the Father.
One.
Exactly. So we don't have no
Well,
problem.
fair enough then.
So they can't see it like that. That's why when I say Jesus is not the Father,
Which is fine.
which is not the Father, when I say I gave the same answer as Peter gave to Christ.
You are the
Who
son
say
of
I
the
am?
mighty God. Yep.
That's the question I gave them.
Okay.
More people can't see. That's it. I have no problem with
Okay
it.
then.
Good.
Please,
Me and you cannot meet
next
because
time.
we agree.
Thank you.
We agree.
Next time you come here and that Lamin brings you in, please make that very clear to Lamin first. Thank you, if you don't mind.
Respect.
All right, respect then. Respect. Hey people. Okay, let me just do a wrap up. Again, Lamin ran away, so just forget Lamin, and then we'll come out to him later. JC.